How to make a man confess his true feelings. Getting a man to open up isn't about grilling him with questions or demanding a declaration of love. True emotional honesty emerges when he feels safe, understood, and genuinely seen. Most men don't hide their feelings out of deceit. They hold back because vulnerability feels risky. The goal isn't to force him to speak, but to create an environment where speaking feels natural. The first step is emotional safety. A man's heart often shuts down when he fears judgment, ridicule, or rejection. Listening without interruption, showing genuine curiosity, and reacting with empathy signals that his thoughts and emotions matter. Subtle gestures like affirming his opinions, acknowledging his experiences, and avoiding harsh criticism make him more likely to share what he truly feels. Next is patience. Pressuring a man for answers usually has the opposite effect. It builds walls instead of tearing them down. Emotional honesty takes time, and rushing it can make him retreat further into silence. Instead, create moments of quiet connection where conversations can flow naturally. Long drives, relaxed dinners, or casual walks often spark the kind of dialogue where truth slips out effortlessly. Another powerful tool is gentle vulnerability. Sharing your own feelings first can act as an unspoken invitation for him to reciprocate. Men are more willing to confess when they see that honesty is met with understanding rather than judgment. Letting him witness your courage to express emotion subtly communicates, "It's safe to show up fully with me." Observation and attention also matter. Men often express feelings indirectly through actions, tone, or body language. Recognizing and commenting on these small cues, "I notice you seem quieter when we talk about that," can open the door to deeper conversation. Subtle acknowledgement validates his emotions and encourages him to articulate them. Finally, reinforce trust consistently. If he shares something personal, respond with care, keep confidence, and avoid bringing it up to manipulate or pressure him later. Trust is the soil in which emotional honesty grows. Without it, even the strongest feelings may remain buried. Getting a man to confess his true feelings isn't about trickery or interrogation. It's about patience, empathy, subtle guidance, and creating a safe emotional space where he can feel comfortable being fully himself. True confessions come when the heart is ready, not when the clock is ticking. Emotional honesty thrives in an environment of trust, patience, and gentle vulnerability. Do you agree with me? Please drop a yes if you do, and follow me to see more videos. God bless you.